What's going on, everybody? Elite Motorsports here. Just got in this 2008 Fatboy. Stick around at the end of the video for a startup. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We really appreciate it. Bunch of chrome on this bike. Very clean chrome Harley front and rear wheels. Engine guard with highway pegs. Stage 1 with an air cleaner. Rinehart exhaust. Corbin seat. Chrome front end. Front axle nut covers. Rear axle nut covers. Chrome accent kit on the engine, shifter pegs. This bike only has 5,524 miles on it. Bars, stainless steel cables, got a windshield with a windshield patch, Daymaker style headlight and passing lights, LED turn signals. Let's get a start up. Give us a call at 1-866-427-5398. Thank you.